Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. In today's video, I am finally unbagging what my Secret Santa sent me from Divina Cosmetics. Now, I meant to do this before I left Florida in December, but I have all the goodies in here, and I have the invoice that was sent, so I knew like what she sent me. There's only one duplicate in here. Let me make sure that, okay. I set aside all of my Divina shadows in here before like I moved. This is the new palette that she came out with that's absolutely beautiful. It's called Oscura. I bought two because it's all witchy and stuff and I love it. Look at how beautiful that is. Anyways, so I went ahead and put all my shades in here. The only shade that's not in here is Karma because it's still broken and I have not had time to fix it. It's currently 12:28 a.m. on January 18th. I don't know why I keep saying December. When I filmed my Ipsy unbagging like 2 hours ago, I did the same thing. I said December. So, yay brain. Okay, so she sent me 6 items total. Our limit for the Secret Santa thing was like $25, but she did go over it a little bit. So I have this cute little Divina palette here, which holds, I believe, 6 shadows, and she sent me 5 shadows. So I have a matte blue shade called Candy, a blue shimmer shade called Altair. This one is called Air Glow. It's like a golden champagne kind of shimmery flaky color. This is a beautiful like mauve lavender shade called Aria. And then this shade is Grunge, which I already have Grunge and I already told her that I had this. So I'm keeping one. This will go in the like box for the giveaway, which I found my giveaway box yesterday. So I do plan on filming that. I said I would do it in January, and I plan on doing it in January. So give me a second to get these open, and I will go ahead. I'm not going to put them in this little one just yet. I want to stick them in this palette near my other Divina products so that you can see how just lovely these correspond with my other shadows. I'm so bummed that Karma broke. Like, I probably should just break down and just buy a new one instead of trying to fix it. But you know, I should try and fix it. Because, I mean, it's only a couple of dollars. Her shadows are not that expensive, but really, this almost looks like a bluer version of Nerds. That Altair shade. Interesting. Seeing them next to some of my other shadows, I'm like, this matte blue shade is really pretty too. All right. So these are the 4 shadows that she just sent me. This shade right here looks very similar to Nerds, so I'm going to go ahead and grab that shade out. Actually, there's 2 shades it looks like. This one here, it looks similar to as well, and I just cut all my fingernails off and I can't get them out of the palette. That is Confetti Kisses that it looks similar to, and this one, there's Nerds. You're also similar. Come here. You just kind of get you out of there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do swatches. This is the Altair shade that she sent me. And then I just realized my little cosmetic like wipe thing is in the bathroom that I could use to clean my fingers off. So this one is Nerds. This is like my favoriteest shadow ever. Oh, it's more like yellow versus blue. Okay. I'm only going to do one swipe of each. Then this one is Confetti Kisses. This is more blue, I think. Oh yeah, this is definitely more blue. Closer in shade, but it's definitely more blue. And this one here, now that I see it sitting on the counter, it looks blue and then it shifts to this like pink shade. I don't even know if the camera's going to pick it up, but it looked pink on the counter, so I'm not going to swatch that one. That was Swudge, by the way. That's one of the newer shades. So here are all three. This is the Altair shade, and then there is Nerds in the center, and then this one is Confetti Kisses. So it's actually I think if you mix Nerds and Confetti Kisses together, you could get, let's play science here. Okay, you are Altair. I'm gonna put you back. Let me grab Confetti Kisses and Nerds. Ooh, ooh. Okay, so experiment was, if I took Nerds and Confetti Kisses, could I get a shade similar to Altair? And the answer is yes, but it's more green or more yellow. So up there on my knuckle is the mix of the two shades to try and get as close to Altair. Altair almost looks like it's lavender, like a lavender base on my hand instead of like a sky blue. Nerds is definitely pulling more like golden, yellow, lime green, very like light. And then Confetti Kisses is like a darker, like sky blue color. But mixing the two shades, it made it look very, very similar to that color, in fact. So I would say Confetti Kisses is the darker cousin of Altair. So let me go de-nerds. I don't have anything like the other two shades, but I will be right back. Okay, I'm back, freshly washed. Now I wanted to see really quick, this is supposed to hold 6 eyeshadows, but it looks awfully tiny. So since she sent me 4, I'm gonna go ahead and just grab the 4 that she sent me, if I can pick them up. This Oscura palette is like got a serious magnet in it. I'm having a hard time prying the shadows out of it. Ooh. Okay, so there's 2. It's definitely gonna fit 6. I didn't even know she had these little 6-pan palettes. This is kind of cute because you could easily throw in a couple of like matte shades and a couple of shimmers. And actually that's kind of what's in here. There's 2 mattes and 4 shimmers. But you could even do like 3 and 3. That would be kind of cute. Now, let me see, can I get them back out? Okay, so really quick fun idea. Let me build a palette with these new shades that she sent me. So I'm gonna do, get the last shimmer out. Okay, so let's do matte shades on top and we'll do, yeah, and then we'll do shimmers underneath if I can get this shade out without touching anything else. Okay, so the shade that I added is Capri. It's like this light canary yellow. And then to add in, okay, I'm gonna put Altair in there because not only is it blue, but I think if you put it over yellow, it would work. Okay, you're pretty, what are you? Okay, that one's Ritual. And then I'm gonna go with this one, if I can get it out. I just dropped it in my lap. Thankfully my legs were closed. Okay, that's Pixie Sticks. Okay, so here's the little palette that I just made. How cute is this? This is kind of like Easter, man. You know what? I'll do an Easter look with this because I think I could easily do like a yellow and lavender kind of eye look and like a lavender and blue kind of eye look, and then use these 3 shimmers. So that's what I'll do. I will do an eye look with the products that my Secret Santa sent me. The only color I didn't fit in here that she sent, besides, you know, Grudge, was this Air Glow, which I might just use as like a highlight. I don't even know if the camera's gonna pick this up. Okay, so I will use that as like a highlighter. I'm going to try and show you the palette again now that I've got the white balance a little bit better. Because being against this like grayish white wall, I think is throwing my camera off. Okay, so I think this is a super cute like Easter palette idea. I will also use the other one for like an inner corner or like a face highlight. So I will put this over here on the side to use in like a, well, I guess I could zoom you guys back out. I will do that, whoa, a little too far. I will do that in like an Easter look or like an Ostara look or some sort of like springy kind of look. I have a bunch of like springy colors in here that I've been wanting to get into, but I couldn't for the life of me find the palette. I had the empty one and it's already in the case. Actually, it's down here. It's in the front. I'm not gonna dig that out right now. So I had already found the other one because it was packed with my palettes, but this one here was packed with the little bubble wrapper of like these guys, so I could do the unbagging, and I couldn't for the life of me find it. I'm like, what did I do with that poor thing? I also found my Ipsy bag that I just did. I filmed with earlier. So yeah, I'm still unpacking boxes. I am still unpacking boxes right now, and so I'm still finding stuff. And I was gonna film my next 2 looks with the Blend Bunny Dollhouse palette, which by the way, I did get that right before I left Florida. I think. I don't know when this released. It's either I ordered it before I left Florida and I had it shipped here, or I ordered it while I was still in Florida and had it shipped there. I can't remember. To be honest, it's literally like 12:41 a.m. So, and I had one of those brain fart moments at work. So anyways, so this was my gift. Her name is actually on here. So this came from Tamaria. So thank you. She was my Secret Santa. My friend who does the Secret Santas and stuff, she's going off to med school this coming year. So we may not do another Secret Santa, and I'm gonna talk to my friend Michelle and see if she wants to like take over with me on like getting the people and trying to do the Secret Santa thing. And we use Elfster, so it's like easier because only the person who you get picked for has your address. So if you're worried about that, it's like a little bit safer. Like, look, some motherfucker's smart enough, or I should say stupid enough, to show up at my house. Even though I've moved, I will still shoot you. Just warning. You know, I don't know what the laws are in Georgia, but I'm sure I'll find out real quick. So show up at my house and see what happens. Because I will shoot you. So, you know, it's just one of those things. But like, I know that there are some people that are like nervous about people having their address and stuff like that. And I get it. You want your privacy, or you have a bad ex or whatever. I think I've had all of the above. Bad experiences, people randomly showing up at your house, DCF involved in your life, crazy ex-boyfriend. Yep, I've had all of them. So yeah, I get it. But when you're doing a gift exchange with somebody, it's kind of like one of those things that you kind of like know they're going to get your address at some point so they can mail you the stuff, because they either have the company mail it to you directly or they mail it to you, which usually I order everything, have it sent to me, I package it all up cute and stuff, and then mail it out. So that's just what I do. A lot of other people don't have the time to do that, so they just order it directly from the company and have it shipped, kind of like she did. She ordered it and she knew I was moving and she was worried that I wouldn't get it, and I think I got it like a couple of days before I moved. So it was like perfect timing, and she was like worried that I wouldn't get it. I was like, look, Deandra's like awesome when it comes to like shipping stuff. Plus she had just had her Black Friday, so I wasn't worried about it. I said, and if nothing else, my dad will just forward it here. You know, it's not like it's a big deal. So yeah. Anyways, I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. Thank you to my Secret Santa who finally, who sent this to me. I'm sorry that it took me this long to get to the unbagging. I can't wait to use my wee little palette for a special like springy eye look. Even though it's January and it's frapping cold outside and it snowed yesterday for the very first time. It's the first time I've seen snow since 1988. So that was like exciting and cold and wet. So anyways, I will see you guys later. Have a fantabulous day or night wherever you are. Bye.